today's video is going to be my fall makeup routine. I kind of do different makeup every day, but this is what it is when I want to feel fall and festive. This is good for every day, or you could wear it to even Thanksgiving, or you can dress it up or down or add whatever you want to it. So let's just get started. Sorry if I keep looking over here. I have a mirror, so yeah. Okay, so first I'm just going to pull my hair back. I have these cute little like wolf husky ears. I love them. And then I'm going to put on some of my Rare Beauty foundation and concealer. I kind of change up what my favorite of this is all the time. So I'm just using the Rare today, and I just blend it out with my coral foundation brush, and this is the coolest thing ever. Okay, and then a tip I use is I first put it on with a brush because it works better, and then you get more coverage if you want it. But then I take a wet sponge and I blend it out because I can't really brush with the brush. I kind of more of dot it like that, if that makes sense, because I have super duper dry skin. So I try to pat everything in to help the dryness not to show through as much. So that's my tip. And then her Rare Beauty concealer. I was watching Selena do one of her tutorials with this one, and she said it works to dot it anywhere you want it and then let it sit for about a minute before rubbing it in, and it actually helps, which is weird because usually most concealers that doesn't work with. They start to get really tacky and harden in, and then they don't rub in properly. But this one, this helps it work better, so I'm just gonna sit here with these little dots on a minute. I usually like to do it with my fingers, but then sometimes, especially on acne, it works to have a concealer brush blended in. I don't think that you can tell on camera, but I have super duper dry skin, as I've mentioned. So I have a hard time with makeup because it tends to clump around the dry spots and not blend in properly. I've tried everything. I've tried mixing it with like a lotion or an oil, or just patting it, or using so many different types of makeup, but nothing really works. The thing I found helps the best is putting maracuja oil. I've only ever seen this with Tarte, but it's amazing on before I do my makeup, which I still do that, but I still have the issues. So if you have any tips of makeup with dry skin, I would gladly appreciate it because I have done everything. Okay, and before I put on my finishing powder, I let this dry for a little bit. I do this with any foundation just because it does so that it doesn't get cakey and lets it dry down. One thing I love about this foundation is it doesn't feel like you're wearing makeup. So I get really annoyed when I can feel my makeup. That is the best way I can describe it, when you can feel it on your face. But this one, you don't feel it on your face. I literally feel like I just have lotion on. While that dries, I'm just going to take tinted brow gel. Pretty self-explanatory. This is the Busy Gal Brows. I will try and link everything in the description. But I don't like doing anything crazy with my brows. I just brush this through it. If I know I'm going to be out a long time or doing a lot, I will put a clear eyebrow gel over this once it's dry to keep it in place, because I don't use enough of this one that it keeps it in place super well, because I don't want them super dark because I'm super blonde. But I just put that on and brush it through most days. And while I'm here, I will also take this and brush through my eyelashes just to make sure that there's not anything stuck in them so that the mascara goes on well. So, eyes. I do different things with my eyes, but pretty much every time. But I'm going to do something more fall themed and exciting today versus the days where I just put mascara on and call it good. Because I do not put eyeshadow on every single day. I would like to, but you know. So I'm just going to start by curling my eyelashes. And I'm going to use primer today. The same primer I talk about in every makeup video. Okay, so I'm done with my base makeup for right now, so I'm just going to take the ears off. And I'm going to do eyeshadow. So I think since it is fall, I'm going to do my Tartelette Toasted palette. This is the perfect fall palette. Not sponsored, I just really like this. So I'm first going to go in with the shade Sunset. It is this one right here. So going with Sunset Curve. No, it's just Sunset. I'm just gonna put that all over my eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the color Latte. Even the names are fall. It's perfect. On the fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put that in the crease just to kind of blend it all together. Then I'm taking the light white shade called S'more and putting that on my brow bone. And also you can blend that out anywhere else you want to make everything more seamless. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite shade from this palette, which is Crackle. And we're going to do a couple different things with this one. So first of all, I'm going to go back to that flat brush that I used to put the first color on, Sunset Curve. No, it's just Sunset. And then I'm going to take the Crackle and do the outer V. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just want the color there. You kind of do it however you want. Blend that out. You can also switch to a fluffy brush. I usually like to start with this one at first and then switch over to the fluffy brush so that I don't get rid of too much of the color. And after that is all blended out, I'm going to take you can take either a pencil brush, but I'm going to take this one, it's an angled brush, and take Crackle on it again. And what we're going to do is use this as an eyeliner. This one is fun because it has a little bit of sparkle in it, so then you get a sparkly eyeliner. I'm also going to do a little baby wing. Last thing with the eyeshadow is I'm going to take the light sparkly shade Candle and put that in the inner corner. So I'm going to put this directly in the inner corner, but I'm also going to bring it up onto the lid as well. Okay, and then just mascara. So I'm just using my mini Lights Camera Lashes. Yay, and that's what I'm going to do for eyes. So, next I'm going to put some blush on. My current favorite has been the color Dazzled. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. This is Tarte too, surprise, surprise. Can you tell I have a favorite? And just put this on my cheeks. Blush is another one of those things where I can rub up like that, but sometimes it messes with my skin. So I'm a weirdo who pats my blush up. Highlighter. I am such a highlighter person. Basically, it's you get to put sparkles on your face. What is not to love? So, I have a couple different ones. Today I'm going to use Stunner, because this is one of my favorites. I like to set extra time to do my makeup, not because it takes me that long to actually...
It looks like your Wi-Fi name or password has changed. To update your Wi-Fi information, go to the Alexa app.
Apparently Alexa's feeling lonely. I like taking extra time to do my makeup, not because I need it. Can I do it fast? Yes. But I like having time to pick things out because I get bored doing the exact same thing every day. And obviously there's basics like, okay, I will use the same foundation for a while. But if I have multiples of one thing, I find it fun to pick them out. And now for powder. So I still need to find a perfect powder. I have not been able to find one that's absolutely perfect for everything I need, that lasts. And again, my skin has a hard time with super mattifying powders. I just want it to help set everything. I've been trying out the Pacifica Cherry Velvet, which is nice, but it's not perfect. So let me know what your favorite setting powder is, because I am looking. So I take this with a really big fluffy brush and dust a little bit all over my face. I usually only dip the brush in the powder once or twice and then I pat it off. And again, if I need to, after going with the brush, sometimes I like to brush it in with the wet sponge. At this point it's damp. But just to get it all completely blended out. Okay, and last thing is lips. I like different lip products and chapstick. I like the flavored ones because I get really annoyed when it gets on like my water bottle and then it's like it's covered in chapstick and it tastes like chapstick. But if I get chapstick that tastes like food, it weirds me out less. I have these fall lip glosses that all taste like different fall scents. So one of them is Candy Apple. It was like a trio pack I got for like Christmas last year, I think. One of them is Cinnamon. And the other is Creme Brulee. So this is my favorite, is the Creme Brulee. And they look super dark in the bottle. But honestly, once you have them on, they hardly show up. It's just kind of a tint. But today, I think I'm going to go for the Cinnamon. And I've got cute little plaid lids. Like, I love products with cute packaging. It looks cute, I like it. You can pretty much label anything mermaid and I'll want it. It's kind of funny. But I'm gonna do this. And it smells like fall. And then I will use a setting spray. My current favorite is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. It lasts long and it is maracuja, which is the hydrating oil I was talking about earlier. So it's hydrating and a setting spray. Supposedly it's like waterproof and stuff. I've never actually tested that. It seems to last pretty well. Okay, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so much fun to make. What is your favorite thing about fall? Also, as I mentioned in the video, if you have any setting powder recommendations, I would love them. So let me know what other videos you want to see or makeup tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. I've got some fun videos planned for the next couple months, so get excited. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and you can see more videos from me over here. So I'm doing this thing for Thanksgiving and for the month of November where I'm going to, at the end of every video, talk about something I'm grateful for. This week, what I'm grateful for is, I want to try and pick something kind of themed to the videos. I feel like that could be fun. So I'm going to go with, I am grateful for creativity. That's a good one. I am grateful that I have the opportunity to be creative with my makeup and do it for fun and for me. And if that is by using creme brulee chapstick, then that is by using creme brulee chapstick. I'm also thankful for fun scents. That means a lot to me. But yeah, I'm thankful for fun makeup. What are you thankful for this week? Let me know. I hope that you all have a magical Monday and I will see you soon. Bye.